Spelling of writing. Actually, the spelling of writing is writing. Writing. From write, we this word has come, writing. Okay, the root word is actually write, like I write a letter, right? Just we need to add in with this write, but since this e is silent here, write, so we will drop it, we will drop this e and we will add in. So writing. When forming present participle or gerund, add ing to the base word, writing. Drop the silent e. If the base word ends with a silent e, drop the e before adding in. So for write, this e is silent. So to add ing, we will drop this e and we will write in. Okay, writing. Double consonant rule. This rule doesn't apply for writing here because the word write ends with a vowel followed by a consonant, here t, but the vowel is long. Here vowel I sound like I, and the I is a long vowel, right? So we don't double the t. We don't double the t in case of writing. We are not doubling the t because this the vowel sound before t is long. Pronunciation is like this, writing.